The Amani Nature Reserve, it was established in 1997 in order to preserve the unique flora and fauna of the East Usambara Mountains. The reserve is a center for biodiversity. Accessible by a gravel road, the reserve is 35 kilometers from Muheza and the road is regularly maintained. A four-wheel drive or a high-clearance vehicle is recommended, especially during the rain seasons. The purpose of this video is to showcase the beauty of this magnificent continent. This is Africa. You don't often see on TV. Thanks for watching.